Hey, do you need some last-minute gift ideas? Here are 5 gifts under $25 that they might appreciate. Number 1, a restaurant gift card. A good fresh ramen shop all over the United States can range, but about $17 may be good. How about a salad bar? Around $12 to $15, or a gourmet hamburger joint. Number 2, a ticket to some me time at a movie. 1 ticket to a matinee plus popcorn and drink. That averages around $22 before tax. You can get a virtual gift card and send it by text or email. It's really convenient. Number 3, a do-it-yourself self-care gift box from a dollar store. Hit a dollar store, yeah, I said it, and buy a basket or a box plus 10 or 12 items. That'll be about $15 before tax. Let me break it down. Here's the list. A gift basket or box, a candle holder, attractive journal, a nice pen, body wash, hand lotion, a nice container, a loofah sponge, hand towel, a festive bow, and a greeting card from you. Number 4, a coffee and tea mug for on the go. I still have my old mug that a student gave me over 5 years ago, and I use it every day. They're definitely going to use that gift. Number 5, one day babysitting their kids. Hands down, this is going to be the most appreciated gift of all. And it's priceless, before or after taxes. Hope these ideas helped you. Please subscribe if so.